Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance. And so somebody might be asking, what's the latest right here with YEARN.finance? I would be explaining everything to you in this video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So YEARN.finance is currently at the $8,332 level. We are currently ranked at 243 with a market cap of about $277 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $34 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So YFI in the last 1 week is down about 7.6%, right? And so without further ado, let us push to the chart to see the latest right here for YFI, right? So YFI first, we are on YFI versus the USD Theta, we're on the weekly time frame. And so one of the things we could see right here for YFI is that we have been consolidating throughout, probably for the past, let's say 2 years. This was since June of 2022. We have been in this consolidation right here for YFI, right? And we said usually when this consolidation usually breaks, they usually have some sort of massive break, right? As we haven't even gotten above the $12,000 level, which showing that we are still in that massive consolidation level, and we could see one massive breakout coming soon right here for YFI. So this is on the weekly. If we just flip right here to the daily to lower time frames, we could see that YFI is forming this sort of massive symmetrical triangle, right? As you can see, very clean symmetrical triangle being formed. And one of the things we have said right here with symmetrical triangles is that usually symmetrical triangles can break both ways, right? If we see a break to the upside, new yearly highs. If we see a break to the downside, but are going to see a gobbling tail scenario, right? So we have been watching this sort of symmetrical triangle, and we are going to see a decision probably close to the halving around the 13th to 15th of April right here for YFI. And so we continue to track this. Also, if we just look at our EMAs gives us a hint as to what is going to happen. As you can see, we continue to hold the bull market EMA currently right at the moment, showing that we probably could see some sort of consolidation. It's not unusual where we see a test of the bull market EMA. Sometimes even we have a late push below the bull market EMA before we reclaim. So probabilities that could happen, we could even lose the bull market EMA and probably come back and replace or reclaim it to see that push to the upside. Everything is probably, or with a very high probability, could happen right here at the moment, as we are in an indecision moment right here for YFI, right? So if we just flip over right here to the symmetrical triangle, this is our main base case, and we continue to watch this symmetrical triangle to see if we are going to break to the upside or to the downside, right? So that's the update right here on YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.